Winter Equipment has been in business for approximately 20 years, and we also make products for the snow industry. And that's primarily the cutting edges on the large DOT, Department of Transportation, city, county, government snowplows.
Magnet was very helpful during our product design process because they not only come forward and help by stimulating the idea process through the ideation session, but in addition to that, they also bring a voice from the outside. They're always testing and they're always challenging the designs back to what does it do for the customer? What is the value to the customer? So sometimes when you're confronted with the product design, you get too involved and you're too emotionally attached to that design. Well, they brought that voice of reason, they brought that voice of the customer to that process and challenged us to make sure that our designs and our solutions were very effective.
Working with Winter has been a great experience. Their goal of introducing innovative products to the marketplace aligns exactly with Magnet's vision of its PRISM initiative. It's been great working with people who are highly motivated and willing to invest into the success of their own company.
Part of the best parts of working with Magnet is the people. Okay, they're very skilled, they're highly trained. The engineering department, everybody is extremely professional. It's something like going to your accountant and finding someone who is a real specialist. Those are the people that are at Magnet. So whether it is advertising, whether it's filming, whether it is the engineering, the many aspects of Magnet have been very important to us.
It's important to note that through the 20 to 24 months that we've been working with Magnet, we have actually added jobs. And I believe that's the core of the mission of Magnet, is to help businesses grow in the area. And for us to be able to add 6 positions in the time that we've been working with Magnet is really kind of a testament to the support and the success that we've had with all of the projects that we've executed with Magnet.